Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So in the previous video, I taught you about vowel and consonant. So how many vowels are there? 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So these are 5 vowels and the rest letters are consonant. Okay? So today I'm going to teach you how to form 3-letter word. How many? 3-letter word. That is also called as CVC word. Okay? CVC words. C stand for consonant. V stand for vowel. Again C stand for consonant. As we know, the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Okay? So, in 3-letter words, the first letter will be consonant, the second letter will be vowel and the third letter will be consonant. So, that's why it is called as CVC word. Okay. So, today I am going to teach you a sound word. As it is first one, therefore I will teach you a sound words. Okay? A sound words. So I am going to teach you a sound words. Okay? So first of all, let's see. It's in your phonic book. So go through it. Okay? So first of all, A T. It's pronounced as at. What? At. So can you say some words with at? Yes. Very good. It's bat. B A T. Bat. C A T. Cat. Again. H A T. Hat. R A T. Red. Repeat after me. A T. At. B A T. Bat. C A T. Cat. H A T. Hat. R A T. Rat. Now I will teach you another A sound word. That is A D. Add. So with add, what we can make? M A D. Mad. D A D. Dad. S A D. Sad. Again. P A D. Pad. Okay. Now again, can you form any word? Yes, with A and. A and N. So with A and we can form C A N. Can. F A N. Fan. P A N. Pan. M A N. Man. Okay. Again. A double L. It's called as all. A double L. All. So with all, what we can make? F A double L. Fall. H A double L. Hall. T-A-double-L, tall. B-A-double-L, ball. So, is it fun? Okay, so these all words are in your phonic book. Try to read at home. Try how to pronounce it. Okay? Then see you in next video. Bye.